Advertising on Offerup is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Ensure that your listings have clear and attractive photos, detailed descriptions, and accurate pricing. Listings with better information and appealing visuals are more likely to attract buyers. Some platforms offer featured listing options to increase visibility. Check if Offerup provides any premium or featured listing services that you can use to boost your ad. Competitive pricing can make your listings more attractive to potential buyers. Research similar items in your area to determine fair and competitive prices. Refresh your listings by updating them regularly. This can boost their visibility in search results. Be responsive to inquiries from potential buyers. Offerup may consider response time and activity level in its algorithm. Utilize the Offerup app to its full potential. Engage with the community, participate in discussions, and explore the features that may enhance your selling experience.